Ever sent a document on DocuSign only to realize there's a mistake? Don't worry, I'll show you how to quickly edit a DocuSign document even after you've already sent it. Before we start, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tech guides. First, open your web browser and head over to the DocuSign website. Log into your account so you can access your sent documents. On the home page, look for the Sent tab and click it. This is where you'll see all the documents you've already dispatched. Now, find the document you need to fix. On the right hand side of that document, click the three dots menu. From here, select the option called Correct. This will open up a new screen where you can make adjustments, like fixing a typo, updating an email address, or changing a date. Once you've made your edits, click Next to review everything. When you're absolutely sure the document looks perfect, click Correct again to send out the revised version. This will replace the old one with your updated copy. And that's it. You've successfully corrected a sent DocuSign document in just a few steps. Double check your details before sending and you'll save yourself from future headaches. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more simple tech tutorials.